I believe gearing ourselves up to make sure we are properly protected. My name is Peline. I'm a rider and a driver. Being both a driver and a rider has significantly shaped my perspective on road safety. It has made me realize how vulnerable riders are and how much trust we place in each other on the road. As a rider, I've become more alert and defensive, knowing that even a small mistake can have serious consequences. As a driver, I've grown more mindful of blind spots, signaling earlier, and giving space to motorcyclists. This dual experience has deepened my belief that road safety is a shared responsibility and that empathy and awareness are just as important as following the traffic rules. What first inspired me to take active role in promoting road safety, especially for women, is when I finished my 2B and I felt nervous to be on the road by myself. And I always go out with friends, and of course it's still nervous because you are not protected compared to when you are in a car. So I started to talk to Mr. Kamsani from the driving center, shared with him my feedback, how women feel on the road from my own experiences. So we talked a lot about what are the small little things that we do not know, especially when the driving center lessons were equipped to allow us to obtain the license. But that doesn't mean we are all very confident on the road, and that puts us into a nervous situation when we are on the road. The discussion were ongoing, and eventually it leads to a series of bite-sized courses catered just for women to understand the bike characteristics and what is good practice and how we should equip ourselves in terms of riding gears, right? And these are the things that I believe not all women riders are aware that there are protective gears that could minimize any impact if there is an accident. Of course, we try to ride safe. Accidents happen sometimes not because of the rider's fault, it could be the driver's fault. So no matter what, I believe gearing ourselves up to make sure we are properly protected. I was in Japan. I attended the motor show in Osaka, and I came across this all-woman riding school which is called Team Mari. I was curious. I spoke to them about what they do in the school, and it's exactly what we do in Singapore. And because they have the whole group of women instructors, it just got me so curious. I started chatting with them and I realized what I need is what they have. I spoke to them in length, but the founder was not there. The representative was very keen because I said, importantly, we want to be confident and enhancing the experience in riding on the road. That's exactly what they want to advocate as well. So we got talking and we continued with email conversations and everything. When I came back to Singapore, I shared with Mr. Kamsani. He was very interested. And he said, why don't we do something about it? I said, sure. I said, they are keen, and if you are keen, let's do something together. So we are currently in talks, and we are organizing the all-women workshop in Singapore with this Team Mari from Japan in September. And we hope to continue to do this to equip our women riders exceptional skills that they are confident and enhancing their riding skills as much as they ride on the road. Everyday road users play a crucial role in making our roads safer, sometimes even more than professionals because they are the majority on the road. Simple actions like staying alert, signaling early, giving space to vulnerable users like motorcyclists, and showing patience can make a big difference. Road safety isn't just about obeying rules, it is about being considerate and aware that we all share the same space. When everyday drivers and riders have a personal responsibility, it creates a culture of respect and safety that benefits everyone. Take care of everybody's safety. I think being patient and being caring is something that we want from all road users. There was one day I was on TPE, there was a traffic build-up, so I suspect there was a traffic accident in front. So then minutes later I heard ambulance on the left lane, extreme left, and I was on the extreme right. So what I did was, because the ambulance was behind me, I kept to extreme right, and I kind of stopped down and slowed down so that lane was completely not moving. So when the ambulance managed to get through after 2 filter lanes, that road was already cleared for them to pass through. The ambulance driver was very glad. He passed by me and he said thank you for stopping the traffic. So I thought everybody can do something like this as a small gesture, but it made a big difference because the time saved for the ambulance to struggle through is quite significant if it is urgent case to bring the injured to the hospital.
Budget Direct Insurance gives you quality, comprehensive car insurance and lower prices.